Sakrata bi sesa emane nya wanwa. Sakrata bi esesa emane nya wanwa.
If there is a change, all right. So if a document, if amendments or changes are done to that document, let's not be surprised.
Confusion baba ho.
There will be confusion around the amendments. But God is a factor to it. God knows about it.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Abushafo, I bring you all New Year greetings. I hope sir Eradia Domobia here. Now, during the 31st watch night, na a call so our Ghana no. Said the money mono drew honoma most of the prophetic churches no. A D for no beshem come ama predictions and ema ebekosona ebesisi. Now I try to follow a few of them. One of them no Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah. Now during his prophecies no oka assembly na I think said do na adwene amaso. Now I want to draw your attention on it. Now can I say a document will be amended. Now that document during or after the amendment and also in the process of the amendment there's going to be commotion and confusion, but God is aware of it. God's hand is in it, and that is going to make it succeed. Now, one more document in it, but obi our spiritual ESBR, and I say, what follow what is happening in our country, you realize the document he's talking about, the Constitution of Ghana. Now, before this 31st December watch night, now most of the prophets, I prophesy, say, John Mahama is going to go for 8 years. Owusu Bempah Prophet Opambour and a few other prophets, I can say, John Mahama is going to go for 8 years. Now, you name say John Mahama, what he can extra first term, meaning say we were expecting Senko just one term per or Nemaya or Sabe in his second coming. But it seems that John Mahama is going to go for 2 terms. Now, you name say the constitution can be amended. The constitution stipulates, say, so when you're 2/3 of the members of parliament, which me pass a bill, which me pass a laws. So I am hoping, sir, overwhelming victory, President John Mahama, obey you so in the interest of our country. I know, say, Onyame I trust Onyame I had a coma, and not in a woman such a resounding victory, Meaning, say, a bureaucracy in our democracy, sir, party bitiminya almost 2/3 of MPs in the parliament house. And it feels to me, I feel say that is what God wants John Mahama to do. Say Onyame mano 2 terms, even though we 1 term Onyame mano 2 terms aside the kahun. I know say Ekobasa said the Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah or say God is aware of it. God is privy to it. Meaning say God some way somehow will be in support of it. Say man penny John Mahama has been disgraced. Wafen Guasiemu wafa Yaomu, Esumu, rejection, and try you try to so. More money maker say I was an NPP. I am still an NPP, I will say, but I know that my party, I put Ghana first over my party. So many NPP people and many NDC people, they put their party first over Ghana. So what I'm saying, it is not only the NPP people who suffer from this kind of sickness. The NDC people also suffer, some of them also suffer from this sickness. They put their party first before the welfare of Ghana. Well, even if they change the constitution, let's say John Mahama, say or Sabe contested for another term. Me say the second term now. If Ghanaians want him, Ghanaians are going to vote for him. If Ghanaians don't want him, Ghanaians will not vote for him. But the prophetic word now about from Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah and Prophet Opambour no nyina the omu actually nyina say God is going to give him 2 terms because obeye Juma Papa.
And it's all my yentem, so for my yentem. Yes. I'm betting about him for 16 years. That's right. Because here Mama 4 years now me no. But the 4 years back come. Guys. I'm up 8 years. Asapana America.
MPP for NDC. And omu be breaki the 8. Political party be and or better 16 years. 16 years.
Now, I have heard from many other prophets from other parts of Africa. Ghana is going to be compared to Rwanda. Like Ghana and Rwanda, these 2 nations will be a beacon of prosperity and like a yardstick and an example for many African countries. Many are going to learn from Ghana, what is going to happen in Ghana. So this is the thing that I wanted to bring to your attention, sir. The document not all can modi, but I want to believe, sir, it is likely going to be the constitution of our country. Now, Drew Honoma, we all live to see. I don't know whether that is going to be possible, but we all live to see. So that is what I want to bring to your attention. Please like my page, subscribe, and share to friends, and please give a comment. And if there's any input you want to give, you can let me know, and then I will do the right thing next time. Thank you very much.
Sakratabi sesa emane nyawanwa. Sakratabi sesa emane nyawanwa.
If there is a change,
all
right, so if a document, if amendments or changes are done to that document, let's not be surprised.
Confusion baba ho.
There will be confusion around the amendments. But God is a factor to it. God knows about it.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.